everyone. So if you're a business owner and you want to make WhatsApp as a marketing tool in your business in 2026, then you are on this correct video, because in this video I will show you a trick that will turn your WhatsApp into a marketing tool and your leads are going to be positively converted as your customers. So you can see on the screen, this is a promotional message that I forwarded on WhatsApp towards customers. Now you can share a message just like this to all your customers at once without wasting any time. With this message, your business is going to be marketed, because you can see over here I've mentioned a promotion that is going to attract more customers in my business and they will buy more products. So that is how we are going to use WhatsApp tool as a marketing tool in our business. And in this video, let me show you how you can send this promotional bulk messages on WhatsApp to all your customers at once, and we are going to create this amazing broadcast without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Chatflow. Okay, so without wasting any more of our time, let's dive into the creation of this broadcast. So I'm already on the page of Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard. If you want to come to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, simply open a new tab and browse pabbly.com/chatflow. And Pabbly Chatflow's landing page is going to appear. Now, if you want to purchase this amazing software Pabbly Chatflow for your business and automate your WhatsApp conversations from today itself, check out the code given on the screen that will give you instant discounts on your next purchase with Pabbly Chatflow's yearly and lifetime deals. So go ahead and use this code given on the screen right away and get super discounts on your purchase. Okay? If you're a new user, you do not have an account with us, do not worry, sign up for free from here and get 100 free credits every month to explore more features of Pabbly Chatflow, and then you can buy our plan. Okay, so now sign in, then you will see the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow like this. Now, how can we send messages to multiple customers at once? We have an amazing feature that is super easy in our Pabbly Chatflow, that is broadcast right here. We can create a broadcast, we can schedule it or instantly send it to all our customers, and then automatically the promotional messages on WhatsApp to your customers will be forwarded. We can create a template that we can send. So in this video, firstly, I'll show you how you can create a template. Go to this template list section right over here. To create a template, click on this add template button. We have to first select the category. I'm marketing my business currently, so select the category as marketing. Name of the template, let's suppose I will name the template as test template right now. So this is the name. I'm just showing you the test template right now because I've already created a template. Okay, language, I will be creating this template in the language English. You can create any other languages, select any other languages and create template according to your country's language. Okay, next it is asking for template type. I will select the type as image right here because I want to add a promotional image with the message. So if you want to add an image as well, you can select this template type as image over here. You can also select video, document, location, anything according to your requirement. For the format is going to be the main format of the image. So let's suppose for the format, I'll write over here as test format. So this is the main body. You can see over here like this. This is the main body that is going to be added over here in this test format. You can see over here, the body will appear like this. And if you want a footer, you can also add in a footer with the message like I've added thank you. You can also add the footer. If you want interactive actions, you can add in the interactive actions. Click on the submit button and the template is going to be created. Okay, I've already created a template using Pabbly Chatflow right over here, and this template that I've created is meta approved. So you should also have a template that is meta approved. Okay, so I've already created this template in the name of WhatsApp marketing. Use this, and I've created this template with the type image. This is the message, natural glow skincare, get 50% off on your favorites today. Use code, limited time only. You can see right over here, this is the message. Okay, so now let's create a broadcast with this template. For that, go towards this broadcast section, click on this add broadcast button. I will select the broadcast type as broadcast campaign. If you want, you can select API campaign as well. Now, if you want to learn what is Pabbly Chatflow, how to set up Pabbly Chatflow account, what are the features in brief, check out the video links added in the description section below where you can learn all about Pabbly Chatflow. Okay, broadcast name. My broadcast name is going to be what? It is going to be marketing message. Okay, so I will write over here my broadcast name as marketing message. Okay, contact list. Now what is contact list? If I'm going to open the contact section of my Pabbly Chatflow account on a new tab, over here you will see all the contacts. Now if you want to categorize your different contacts, let's suppose gender, male and female, I have created two lists, one of male, one of female. Okay, now you can create list from this plus section right over here, and you have to select that list over here in this section, this list of contacts that you have created. These are the list I have created. You have to select that list right here. Either you can select all the contact list or select a specific one from here. I will select the contact list over here in the name of new list, so I will select that list from here. Now it is asking for the message type. Message type I will select it as pre-approved template, but also you can write the message right over here and select the type according to your requirement from this regular message itself. Okay, I will select over here pre-approved template and select the template that I've created from here. Now while selecting, as I have this image type template created, we have to upload that image right here. For that I have created an image which I'm going to upload. This is the image. I will upload it. Open it right here, and as soon as I will open it, you will see in this message the image is going to be updated. So let the image be added. Okay, so you can see right over here the image is added successfully. This is a promotional image that I've generated. Then click on this done button, and as soon as I will do that, this template has been added with the image. Now if I want to test this broadcast, which I will do for all of you, I will show you how this broadcast message is going to be forwarded. But as a business owner, if you also want to test this broadcast before sending it directly or scheduling it before, for that you have to simply add the username, your own name right over here. Let's suppose my name is test name, so I will write here test name, and you have to enter your phone number, and to that phone number the test message, this exact message that you can see on the screen, is going to be forwarded. So let me enter my phone number right here, and I will click on this send test message. As soon as I will click on this button, automatically on my WhatsApp number you can see a test broadcast message has been forwarded. So this is the image that is going to be forwarded with the message. This is going to be the exact message right here that will be forwarded. So this is the message, promotional message, marketing message, that is going to be forwarded to all your customers through WhatsApp. Okay, so now I've tested the flow. Now after testing the flow, now there are two options: schedule broadcast. So if you want to schedule the broadcast, let's suppose I want to set this broadcast tomorrow at 10:30, so you can schedule this broadcast. But if you want to set this broadcast instantly to all your customers, you have the option of no, it's sent instantly as well, but I will schedule this broadcast right now. Okay, now we have to set the date and time. Let's suppose I want to send this message tomorrow at 12 p.m. so I will select over here as 12 p.m. and click on this OK. You can see it has been scheduled. Click on this add broadcast button, and as soon as you will do that, you can see a new broadcast has been added in the name of marketing message. It has been scheduled for what, January 9th 2026 12 p.m. and you will see the template message. This is the template message right here. The image is not popping up, but it will be forwarded with an image, because you can see right over here the image has also been forwarded. Okay, so now as this broadcast message has been scheduled, now tomorrow to all my customers a broadcast message is going to be forwarded, which is going to work as a marketing tool for my business. Now this message is going to be forwarded to all my customers. They will be attracted to my business, they are going to purchase, and I will have regular customers with my business. So what are you waiting for? Buy the plan of Pabbly Chatflow today itself. Create these amazing broadcasts and send messages to multiple customers, thousands of customers. Send bulk WhatsApp messages at once using this amazing feature today itself. So go and buy Pabbly Chatflow plan right away. Now, if you have questions or doubts related to this workflow that I have created, you can ask us all the questions in the comment section and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Not only this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple other bots using Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any questions, you can email us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can send us queries on forum.pabbly.com. If you have any Pabbly Chatflow pricing related issue, you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, comment down below if you have any questions, and please do share this video.